So in the previous class, we discussed about profit and loss adjustment account, which is one of the methods for doing past adjustment. Right? Past adjustment, the first method, profit and loss adjustment account. So next, we are going to see the second method, that is passing a single journal entry. Okay? Single journal entry. Let us continue with the same illustration in the textbook. Then we'll move to the questions. Okay? I'll tell you how to prepare it. Then we'll do the question. So here also, the concept is the same. The rule is the same. The expense for one party becomes the income for the other. Debit for one is credit for other. Credit for one is debit for other. Same thing, keep it in mind. Okay? And here we will be having only one journal entry. Okay? So to reach this one journal entry, we need to prepare a statement. Okay? A statement has to be prepared, not account. It is not an account. We are going to prepare an adjustment table. Or you can say adjustment statement. What is the difference between account and statement? Why do we stress upon these words? It is an account, profit and loss adjustment account. And next, now I told you, it is not an account, it is just a statement. Yes. Anyone? Anybody? So the difference between account and statement is that account means it is always the T account, the ledger account, that format. It will have debit side and credit side, and we will be applying the rules. Even if it is traditional or modern, whatever it is, the rules of accounting. But statement, we don't have any rules, no format in specific. Is that clear? Okay, okay. Coming back to that textbook question. Okay? Textbook question. In the question, it is said that IOC is missing. IOC is omitted. It is not given. So here we are going to prepare a table. You can see the table. 3 columns. First one is for giving the details. Second one is for Ramiz. And third one, Zahir. And you can also provide a column for total. Total. It's all optional, but still total. Okay? Now, I told you there is no correct strict format. Keep the video on, Irfan. Okay. Pavitra, keep it on. Okay. So the first thing is we are going to write what is to be given. Here we know IOC is a payment given to the partners. And think of this IOC. Where will it appear in the capital account? It is in the credit side. Okay, no? Credit side. Okay. So, IOC to be given. That will be credit. Credit. Yeah, credit. It should be credited. Capital account will be credited. So, Ramesh will get 3,000 or should get 3,000. Zahir should get 6,000. This is the one which is missed out. Total is 9,000. What is this? I told you it is credit. Credit. It should be credited. Okay. And what is the next implication? This is missed out. So it is there already in the profit. Correct? Profit. So from the profit, you should take it back. The same 9,000 rupees, the same 9,000 is there in the profit. Why? Because it was not given. That's why this got added up to the profit. So from the profit, we have to take it back. So when you take it back, we have to give debit. Profit is actually credited in the capital account. So we need to take it back. So we are going to give debit. Profit to be taken back. This is all my sentences, to be taken back. You can write it as per your level of understanding. Profit to be taken back. Okay. How is this 9,000 there with the partners? It is actually in the profit. Profit was distributed equally. They were equal partner, 1:1. So this 9,000 is here, 4,500, 4,500. What should this amount be done? It is taken back. It is debited. So to show it as debit, you can give a bracket. Or you can say to show it as it has to be deducted, minus. This should be deducted. Or write debit. These are all different techniques you can adopt. So again, total is 9,000. First you showed what should be given. IOC should be given. So it is credited, CR. Profit should be taken back. So it is debit. Now, find this difference. We are going to solve this. Ramesh, look at the Ramesh here. Solve it. 3,000 should be given. Listen carefully. 3,000 should be given. Already 4,500 is there. So how much should be taken back? 3,000 should be given. Actually, 3,000 is the amount to be given. 4,500 is also there already with him. So how much should be taken back? Anila.
1,500.
1,500. Right. Did everybody get this 1,500? Yes. How 1,500? Why 1,500? Anyone explain? Tell me in your own language. Okay, 1,500. This person, Ramesh, is having 4,500 already with him in the form of profit. But actually, only 3,000 should be there with him. So 4,000, from the 4,500, we give 3,000. Okay, you keep 3,000 with you. As IOC has to be given to you. Okay, you can keep 3,000. Give back the 1,500. Okay, so 1,500. Now, 1000, which is more, 3000 or 4500? 4500 is more. We have put it in the bracket showing that it is minus. Minus means it is debit. Correct? So, the simple mathematics, when you subtract, we will be giving minus to this bigger amount, that is debit. Minus here means it is a debit, okay? Debit. Here the subtraction minus represents debit. So this 1500 we will give debit. Okay? Now come to the next one. 6000 should be given to Zahir. But only 4500 is there. So we need to give 1500 more. 1500 more. So here which is the higher value? 6000. It is credit. So assign credit, whatever is given to the higher amount. Debit or credit, whatever is allotted to the higher amount, that should be given to this minus figure. I mean the subtraction, the result. Okay. So now you got what is debit, what is credit, what should be debited, what should be credited. Now write the journal entry. What is debit? Ramesh. Ramesh capital account debtor to, which is given credit, to Zahir's capital. Ramesh capital account debit to Zahir's capital. Is that clear? Yes. So which method is easy? Adjustment or single entry? Single entry is easy. Okay. So shall we go to question number 36 in your textbook? Question number 36. Net profit of X, Y, and Z. Yes, net profit of X, Y, Z for the year ended was 60,000. That is the net profit. Okay, net profit. And the same was distributed among them in the ratio 3:1:1. So that is the profit sharing ratio. It was found that interest on capital at 5% per annum, interest on drawings 700, 500, 300. Amount is directly given, no need of calculation. And also salary for X as well as Y is not given, not provided. Okay, so there are three things, three items that is missed. The capital accounts were 1,80,000 and 60,000. Okay, record the adjustment entry. Okay, shall we prepare it? Start. You can see the adjustment table. Adjustment table. Okay. Rate is given to you. So the first thing to be done is calculation of interest on capital. 1,80,000 and 60,000 is given to you. Find out IOC. 1 lakh into 5 by 100, 80,000 into 5 by 100, and Z 60,000 into 5 by 100. Okay. So 3 items are missing. Interest on capital is to be given, is to be provided. So X 5,000, it should be credited. Y 4,000 credit. Z 3,000 credit. Okay. Okay. Now IOD, interest on drawings. It is a payment that should be made by the partners. Partners should pay IOD to the firm. Okay. So that is actually a payment reduction. So where is this IOD coming in the capital account? We show it in the debit side. Okay. We show that in the debit side. So write interest on drawings 700. This bracket is to indicate that it is debit. What debit? It is debited in the capital account. In the capital account, we show it in the debit side. Debit, debit. Okay. Now salary. Salary is to be paid to the partner. So we will find salary in the credit side. It is received by the partner. So where to write it? Credit. CR, CR. Here salary is given only to X and Y. Special salary. Z, nothing. So nil. Okay. Now, don't forget to write the totals also horizontally. Interest on capital total is 12,000. 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,000, 12,000. Likewise, IOD 700 plus 500 plus 300, 1,500. Salary 2,500. So the bracket amounts should be subtracted as it is payment from the partner. The ones received by the partner is added. Okay. So find out the totals of each X 5,000 plus 1,000 positive figures minus 700 will give you 5,300. For Y 4,000 plus 1,500, 5,500 minus 500 will give you 5,000, and 3,000 credit, which is considered as positive amount, minus 300 debit, negative amount, because it is a payment from the partner. So you get 2,700. Likewise, the total is 13,000. So after adjustment, this is the amount to be received by the partner, 13,000. Now this 13,000, it is already there in the profit. Okay, this 13,000 already it is there in the profit. So it was already received by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. How did they receive it? 13,000 into 3 is what is the ratio? 3 is to 1 is to 1. Okay, so 3 by 5. 13,000 into 3 by 5, 7,800. 13,000 into 1 by 5, 2,600. 14,000 into 1 by 5, 2,600 again for Z. So this profit, actually, it should be taken back from the partners. They have received this 13,000 because IOC and IOD was omitted. That's the reason. Instead of writing it in the name of IOC and IOD, that was written as profit. It was distributed as profit. Now, let us see the final amount. Look at X. Actually, X should get IOC salary and less IOD 5,300. That is the amount to be given to X. He is already having 7,800. So the extra money with him should be taken back. When you take it back, give debit. Give the symbol or whichever related to that amount. Higher amount, what is the symbol you have given? Is it debit or credit? Here, 7,800 is more, and you see that it is in the bracket. That means that is the amount to be debited. So the difference is given debit. That is an amount to be debited in the journal entry. Come to the next one. 5,000 is the amount to be paid to him, but he's already having 2,600. He's only having 2,600, but 5,000 should be given. So extra 2,400 should be given again. He's having only 2,600 by way of profit. Actually, he should be receiving 5,000. So give additional 2,400. It should be given. So credit. Show the sign credit. Come to Z. 1,700 is the amount to be given to him. But by way of profit, he has received 2,600 only. So 100 rupees more have to be given. Okay? To be given. So it is credit. Now we got whatever is to be debited and credited, journalize. Who should be given debit? X. X capital account debtor. How much? 2,500. And the other two credited. So X and Z will be getting the amount. Not X, sorry. Y and Z will be getting the amounts 2,400 and 100. X, from X, 2,500 will be taken back. Is it over?